Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake. So hi guys, so for today's video we are going to do a product review of this one. So this is a massage gun, as you can see. So it's quite a big massage gun. So this gun is from A-Tion. So this is not a sponsored video, by the way. So if you want to check this out in Amazon, I'll put the affiliate link down below on the description box so that you can help me also to have a little commission on if you are going to buy this one. So I will have a little commission on this. So without any further ado, let's proceed on the review of the A-Tion massage gun. So let us now proceed on the specifications of this massage gun. So this massage gun has a high torque brushless motor, and also as you can see there are no wires. So this is a rechargeable massage gun. There is the charging port here below. So unfortunately I do not like the charging because it's a DC adapter and it's not a USB type C. But the lower version of this, the mini version of this, is a USB type C, but for me it's okay. It's just for charging only. As you can see, there is a ring light. So this green ring light indicates that it is in 100% mode. So when this indicates orange light, it is already on the 50% mark, and when this indicates red, so you need to charge it. It's below the low power mode. But if you want to be specific, this massage gun also has a touch sensitive screen at the back. The right side, that is the battery indication, how much percent of battery is left. So right now it's 99%, so almost 100% battery. So the buttons below, as you can see, there's the plus, and then there's the on button on the middle, and then the minus sign on the left side. Let's turn it on. As you can see, it indicated 1. So it's starting right now. It's not that noisy. So this massage gun can reach up to level 30. It has 30 levels. See? So A-Tion's massage gun has different heads. First, I'll demonstrate how to remove this one. So this is a removable head. You can just turn it slowly and pull. This is the ball head, and this is for general use around your body. This is a general purpose attachment. So you can use this also around your joints so that your joints will not be knocked hard using the other attachment. The attachments for this, there is total of 6. So again, let's review. First one is the ball. It's not very soft, but a hardened foam, but it's soft on your body when you use it. The second one is this one. This is the bullet. So if you want to target specific muscle groups, especially on the thighs, this is very good. I really use this one when I do my warm-ups or after running regimen. So yesterday I ran 10K, and then I used this after, so my legs were back to normal after that. So I didn't feel tiredness by using this. This head is this one. So this is a flat head. It's semi-flat. It has a certain curvature in it. So this is very good when you use it on your back. My wife really loves this attachment because it's not that hard on your back and it really feels good. So the next one, this is a triangular bullet. So this is a more specific or more deeper massage tip. If you want, if there are muscle aches that is quite deep and the other attachments cannot reach it, so you use this one. Next is the flat one. We really don't use this, but yeah, it's also for the back, on the back of your legs also. So this is the last attachment, and I find this the most unique one because there's a gap in between the heads. So this is used for your back, in which it cannot hit your spine. So by the way, when you use a massage gun, you must not hit your bones, your joints and your spine. You will not be hurt. You must use it on the muscle groups. This is the power brick. So this is the end of it. So as I have mentioned earlier, this is not a Type-C power. I wish this was a Type-C power adapter, but it's okay, it's just for charging. So by the way, so the charger, this is a 100 to 140 volts, so anywhere in the world you can use this. But the tip of this is American tip, so but you can buy power adapters so that you can use it to other countries. A-Tion also included a carrying case, so where you can keep your heads, your massage gun, and everything that is included with the set, so you can neatly store it. So I really love this one because it has a full range of power that can be used. And yeah, I only reach up to level 20, so that's the maximum for me, because so 20 and above, the power is very great and it hurts already on that level. But if you are the type of person that really likes a hard massage, so you can use this up to level 30. So a warning from A-Tion. So there are fake versions of this one. So when you buy in Amazon, so make sure that you are on the A-Tion official store. So again, I'll put the link, affiliate link down below of this one, so that you can be sure that you are buying an original A-Tion massage gun. So here in Japan, it's quite unlikely that they sell fakes. And also you can return it to Amazon immediately if you are not satisfied with the product. So let us now proceed on the operation of the product, sample operation. So let's turn it on. So this is the ball head. So this is the general purpose, as you can see. So when you are using the massage gun, just slide it. Do not push too hard on your skin. Let the massage gun do its work. Just apply it on the affected area, around 60 seconds, and then proceed to the other one. And again, as I reminded you earlier, do not do your joints, your spine, or any hard areas on your body. Just use it on the muscle areas. Warning also, when you use massage guns, do not use it on your head. You can use it on your neck, but at the back only. Do not use it on the front. Yeah, on the spine also. Do not use the massage gun on your spine so that you will not be hurt. Pros and cons of this product. So the pro for me is that it is quite strong and it is priced competitively. So I really like that it's not that expensive compared to other high-end massage guns. It's priced well, and the build quality of this is amazing. It's like a matte finish, hard plastic, and it feels good. It doesn't feel cheap, by the way. And also, I really like the levels up to level 30. Some massage guns only have to 5, and then the difference between each level is not that noticeable. But this one, you can select up to level 30, and then you can minutely adjust the power level that you are using. But the con for me, especially for my wife also, that it's quite heavy. So this unit is around 2.2 pounds, around 1 kilo. So it's quite heavy, and when you're using it on your body for a while, your hands will be tired. Overall, I really love the product. So we've been using this already for almost a week, and yeah, we're happy with this one. And also the con I do not like is the charging area, so it is not USB Type-C. And yeah, I think that's it. Hope you liked the review of the A-Tion's massage gun. So before we end the video, for those who have not yet subscribed in this channel, kindly click the subscribe button below, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment down below if you have any other questions, if you have questions on this product, or any suggestions for me and my wife what to do on the next videos. Just comment down below, and I will make sure that I will answer you as soon as possible. So I think that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.